are stoked because today we have some huge news for you. Some crazy big news.
We are, yeah, we're so excited to tell you guys.
So big.
Oh.
What's up, guys? We are stoked because we have some huge, exciting, major news for you guys today.
Really big, exciting news that we can't wait to share with you guys.
Yes, so we have been just trying to figure out what's up over the last year, just like all of you guys, and we came to a massive decision that is basically going to change the trajectory of everything we're doing here on YouTube, and we cannot wait to share it with you. However, we're going to give you a few facts first. Don't worry, there'll be some exciting things along the way, but you must stay tuned until the end to get the biggest of the big news.
So if you guys are new to our channel, I'm Maya and this is Jess, and back in 2017 we were both working for the same corporation where we worked crazy hours, and we had decided that we were gonna quit our jobs and go travel the world. So we spent 6 months saving a ton of money, and then we spent 6 months just backpacking throughout Europe and Asia.
Yeah, we hit 15 countries, and after working for a corporation, it really showed us like what it felt like to be truly happy. Back when we were working for the corporation, we both worked anywhere from like 40 minimally, obviously, to 80, 90 hours a week in some cases. And it's not to say we were miserable. We like gained a lot out of our jobs and there was a lot of satisfaction. However, we had no balance, and it truly felt like we were giving everything we had and all of our energy away to someone else and not getting anything back for ourselves. So after all of that traveling though, we ended up kind of back in the same scenario, back to working our normal life and trying to figure out what's next.
We spent like a year exploring a ton of different options of what we could do that would make us happy. So we had thought about moving to New Orleans, and we were gonna buy and flip some houses down there. We discussed moving to Puerto Rico and starting a business like on the beach. What else? Oh, we were gonna make a coffee stand. And we
a grilled cheese truck. We have gone through so many ideas.
And we were excited about them. Like, don't get me wrong, but nothing ever felt like 100% right. Like, it was like we were starting a business to really go and do something else. Like, we were starting a business to leave and to go travel.
As all of you know, 2020 totally sucked. And it really gave us a lot of time to assess not only what we wanted in business, but what we wanted in life. And, you know, we were stuck in the apartment or stuck alone at our jobs, basically just thinking and feeling all sorts of things this year.
I felt really trapped, and I feel like I'm just angry all the time.
Frustrated?
And, yeah, like I usually don't have a temper, but I just feel like the smallest things just like set me off.
I guess like we are just seeking a different kind of lifestyle, and we feel like although 2020 has been terrible, it's also been a blessing in disguise, and showing us that, you know, we do have options and we can hit the reset button. And so we feel like we have to do what makes us really passionate. So this week we both quit our jobs. No, we didn't just walk out. We actually put in lengthy notices. So we will be working at our jobs for the next 3 to 4 weeks.
But we finally did it.
We did it. And maybe some of you guys are feeling the same way we did, and maybe you're feeling trapped. Well, we decided enough is enough, and we're sick of living for somebody else or for something else that we don't even know why, and we're gonna start living for ourselves.
So throwing it back to 2019, like, sure, we got to do a ton of stuff. We still went to Spain, we went to London, we went to Las Vegas. Yeah, we did all of these major trips, but it wasn't the kind of lifestyle that we really want to live.
Yeah, we just found that the end game was always to travel, you know? It's like we work all year and we're just working so that we can eventually take those couple weeks off and travel. So we sort of realized we were working to make money and we were using that money to travel. So we feel like it's time to cut out the middleman. So here's the big news.
We're just gonna hit the road, get on a plane, see where it goes, and hope for the best.
Yes, we literally have gotten rid of almost everything we own, and we will follow up with a moving video next week that you guys can kind of see what we've been doing to make this happen. We've had to get rid of things we care about. We've had to become very minimalistic and make some really, really tough decisions. This is not easy what we're doing. The stress I feel over like not having an income after I've like never had a day off other than those 6 months since I was like 14.
It's scary, but it's also really, really exciting, and I think we're both in need of a really major change. So I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's a strange combination of feeling like a super amount of relief, like abnormal amount of like relief, but also a lot of fear. I think the difference is normally when I feel scared or I feel fear, it's because I feel trapped. I feel stuck. And the difference is I feel fear, but I feel alive and excited. And like, I am so stoked because all these videos, if you guys have been watching them, are gonna be super laughable later, because hopefully we're gonna be creating some amazing content and art and showing you guys all of our adventures. I'm stoked.
Okay, so on that note, we actually have no idea where we're gonna go because of the whole situation on everything. Our original plan was to go to Bali and maybe spend some time down there. But now we're thinking maybe South America.
Central America.
Maybe Istanbul, I don't know.
It's a complete mystery, so you're gonna have to turn on your notifications and stay tuned, because our videos are just gonna get more exciting. We have a lot more news to share with you. And we want you to come on this adventure with us, and we hopefully want to inspire you to maybe not travel, but do what's in your heart and take a risk, because there's nothing worse than being stuck.
We do know for sure is that at the end of February, we are going to go down to Illinois, and we're gonna go spend about a month down there with Jess's family.
Yeah, I'm spending February with Maya's family and March with my family, and then we're hitting the road, you know? So we'll keep you guys posted. Please make sure to like this video if you appreciated it or are excited about our new adventures. And like I said, turn on the notifications so you know what's up. And of course, subscribe. You gotta support us in this journey.
Please subscribe, hit that button.
To the next adventure. Say it, babe.
Oh, Jess and Maya, at it again.